This video will highlight all the key features you need to know about the Yamaha YHT-4950U 5.1 channel home theater system. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this home theater system in the description below for the latest price. The Yamaha YHT-4950U is designed to deliver a true cinematic experience right in your living room. With its 5.1 channel surround sound setup, you're getting 5 speakers and a dedicated subwoofer powered by a 400-watt output. That means action scenes, music, and even dialogue sound fuller and more immersive compared to standard TV audio. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or streaming your favorite shows, the system has the power to fill the room with clear and dynamic sound. One of the big advantages here is the inclusion of 4K Ultra HD video support, so you won't lose picture quality when routing your devices through the receiver. It has multiple HDMI inputs, along with USB, optical, coaxial, auxiliary, and even Ethernet connections, giving you the flexibility to connect gaming consoles, Blu-ray players, streaming boxes, and more without hassle. On top of that, Bluetooth streaming allows you to play your favorite playlists or podcasts wirelessly from your phone, although it's worth noting that this model does not support fully wireless speakers. Setting up the system is made easier with Yamaha's YPAO room optimization feature. This automatically adjusts the sound based on your room's acoustics, ensuring you get the best possible audio experience no matter where you place the speakers. The mounting options are also flexible. You can set them up on a table, mount them on the wall, or position them on the floor to best suit your space. Now, while the system delivers excellent sound and plenty of connectivity, it's not perfect. Because it doesn't support Wi-Fi or smart assistant integration, some users might miss those more modern conveniences. Additionally, while Bluetooth is great for casual streaming, audiophiles may prefer wired connections for the best sound fidelity. The size of the speakers is compact, which is ideal for smaller to medium-sized rooms, but in very large spaces you might feel the need for a bigger or multi-system setup. Overall, the Yamaha YHT-4950U balances performance, build quality, and ease of use at a competitive price point. It's a great choice for anyone wanting a reliable home theater upgrade with deep bass, crisp vocals, and an immersive surround experience that feels like you've brought the cinema home.